Hey everybody, Robert Russell here. Wanted to tell you about a upcoming webinar that I'm going to be doing. It's going to be a 3-week webinar on how to sell 15 insurance applications per day. Now, I know some of you are probably cringing at the idea. You don't even sell 15 applications a month, much less the idea of selling 15 per day. So in this 3-week webinar, I'm going to teach you how to get over 1,000 free leads per week by learning how to do it yourself. You will never be at the mercy of a lead company and buying leads and wait for them to send you leads that everybody and their brother has already gotten and called all these people. For you final expense people, this is going to be huge for you, because what you're doing is you're spending anywhere from $400 to $2,000 a month on crap leads. They're calling them good leads, but everybody is calling those same people. And then when you go to see these people, you're experiencing no-shows, chargebacks, craziness. I'm going to show you how to get 1,000 free leads per week, and I'm going to show you how to do it yourself so that you don't have to buy leads from anybody, not even me. The next thing you're going to learn is how to create a niche market so that people will want to talk to you. The problem that you're having is that you're trying to talk to people that don't want to talk to you. Why would you do that? Call people that want to talk to you. We're also going to teach you how to sell on the first call. That means when you're selling, you're going to talk to them about sending them a quote. Then you're going to call back and do follow-ups. What you've been taught is to sell on the first appointment, hard closing them, they get pissed off, and you're done. We're not going to teach you how to do that. We're going to teach you how to send a quote out, then follow up and let them marinate over the quote that you sent them. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to show you how to call up to 200 people per hour. That's going to end up being 1,000 people per day. Now, how are you going to get 200 people to call? Well, remember on the first thing I said, I'm going to show you how to get 1,000 leads a week. If you can comprehend the idea that there are leads out there that are available for free, then this concept will be very easy for you. The next thing we're going to teach you how to do is to learn what scripts to use. Some of you are not calling people because you don't know what to say. You also don't know what to say when you hear an objection. You're talking way too much. We're going to teach you how to talk less, ask more questions so that people will respond to you by answering their questions. We're also going to teach you how to sell from home and never go to a no-show again. Now, that should be a reason for you to attend this webinar. The days of driving to appointments, going to no-shows are gone. We're coming up to the year 2020. That is tomorrow. Tomorrow is 2020. People are buying online. That's just the way it is. They were buying online from me 10 years ago when I started calling people and selling over the phone. So for you insurance agents, if you're wondering, does this apply to me? Well, the answer is yes. This is going to work for people that are selling life insurance, health insurance, final expense, cancer, car insurance, homeowners. I'm going to show you how to do all this and how to get your leads so that you can sell 15 apps per day. In this 3-week session, I'm going to show you what I've taught over 200 licensed agents who have come to me in the last 3 years from a video series that I posted on YouTube called Selling Life Insurance Over the Phone. Many of you are paying over $2,000 to $4,000 on leads that are useless and a waste of time. How much is this going to cost you? $65 For $65, you will attend 3 weeks of a session on how to sell 15 apps a day. I'm going to also teach you how to work from 8 to 5 and never work weekends. If you're working weekends, then you are overworking and you need to get your life back. So my question to you is, $65 too much for you to get your life back? Well, my answer is, I don't think so. For those of you that are going to give me some lame brain excuse, I can't come because I've got an appointment. Well, all these sessions are going to be recorded. We recommend that you attend the live trainings, but if you have to miss because maybe you're driving to a no-show, then we will send you the recording. So I'm going to provide the link. You need to register. I've got some questions for you on this registration. Once you have registered, I will send you an invoice for the $65 to pay it through PayPal. Then I will send you the access to get into the webinar. This webinar is going to be starting on January the 14th. That is a Tuesday at 10 o'clock Central Time. It'll run 3 consecutive Tuesdays starting on January the 14th. If you have any questions for me, give me a call. My telephone number is 972-679-9029. We hope that you attend so that you can start making some real money and quit driving to no-shows and quit paying for leads. All right, that's it for me. Y'all have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye now.